economical place. And the school
Today is
agreed.
stage one.
Shamla
Today
and
is
her
the
buddies
Academy
prepared
Bhopal.
tasty and nutritious food for children and demonstrated to the school how good food can be made in an economical manner. This forced the school to change its food menu in lunch, and in the end, when Shamla and her friends were washing the leftover utensils, they felt very good that they helped the children in getting good yet nutritious food.
Ananya.
Jai everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters. Both are female. The age bracket is between 20 to 30-year-old, and the mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is a girl sailing the earthen pots. Uh, Akansha, a 20-year-old lady who lives in a village in Bihar. She was pursuing her graduation, and along with her graduation, she manages all her expenses of studies by making and selling the earthen pots in the village. One day, while selling the earthen pots, a lady came to her, and she was very much impressed by her art. She purchased some of the earthen pots to her, and suggested her to sell her pots on through the online platform. She, by taking her suggestion positively, Akansha decided to put some of the photos and videos of her potteries on the online platforms, and soon her business was a great success, and she was very happy. Thank you.
Jai everyone. I have perceived two characters in a story. Both are female. The age bracket between 40 to 30 years old. Mohini was a servant in a village servant house. She is doing her work, and village serpent organized a little party in her house, and she was doing her household works, and she cleaning her household things and shoes. Thank you.
Jain everyone. From the story, I perceive two characters. Both are female. The age bracket is between 28 to 35, and the overall mood is positive. The action of the story is washing utensils. Mohini, a 35-year-old poor lady, used to work in Maya's house as a maid. She was an obedient lady. Obedient and hardworking lady. One day she was very sick, but as soon as she get a call from Maya that she was expecting some guest as in her house, she called Mohini to wash utensils immediately. Even after being sick, Mohini came to Maya's house and washed utensils. After that, Maya appreciated her and rewarded her with incentive. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I perceive two characters in the story. Both are female of age between 25 to 26 year old. All are in poverty mood. The action of my story is helping the friend in cleaning the utensils. Suma is a 26-year-old. Suma is a 26-year-old. Completed his MBA from Oriental College, Bhopal. She opened a cafe, and and hired a worker for her helping. She saw that there is a huge line of customers in her cafe. So he go in the kitchen and saw that the utensils are not cleaned yet, and Rita is cleaning the utensils. So he helped. So she helped. She helped her worker in cleaning the utensils, and after cleaning the utensils, she served coffee to everyone. Thank you.
Uh, Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive two female characters with age bracket 20 to 23. Mood positive. The action of my story is fighting from the all odds. Sita was a 23-year-old girl, lived with his younger sister in a far village on the bank of river Yamuna. One day, due to the heavy rainfall, a flood emerges and affect the village and nearby very drastically. By that flood, Sita's home has been collapsed and they both become homeless. Uh, Despite having a tough time, Sita become a strength of her sister and taking care of her and start a new life with zero resources and live happily with her. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters. Both are female of age bracket between 25 to 50 years. Both are in positive mood. Action of my story is scene of a village kitchen. Sita is a 25-year-old post-graduation student living in a small town. As it was Navratri week going on, she, along with his family, decided to invite small children for the food. In order to do so, she went to the market and bought the necessary items to make the food. And in the evening, she, along with her mother, prepared food for the children and invited all the local children to have the food. After having the food, all the children enjoyed, and Sita distributed candies and washed up the utensils and helped her mother to clean the house. Thank you.
Hello everyone. In the picture shown to us, I perceived two characters of age group, both female, of age group between 22 to 45 years. And the action of my story is women washing utensils. So the story goes like this. Uh, Rita was a young girl living in Dharavi. She belonged to a poor family of Dharavi. She lived with her mother. She also helped her mother doing household work such as washing utensils and washing clothes. She was very studious and always wanted to become a nurse. Her studious character helped her in getting a scholarship from the state government, and she got an admission in state university with a scholarship, and got graduated in BSc nursing and became a nurse and fulfilled her dream. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive two characters. The age bracket is 23 to 49. Overall mood is positive. Action of my story is learning skills and helping to mother. And the story of mine is that Ria is 24-year girl. She is graduated and further studying business management after her college. She used to help her mother who runs poultry farm, and she used to help her and learn the skills of how to manage each and everything over there and how to attract customers and all. After the management, she even used to guide her mother with the help of social media and other platform, how do we expand our business and all. She used to post our pictures on over social medias and attract the customers. And even after in the evening, after taking the rest, they used to have tea in the evening and spend laughters and giggles at the evening. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From that picture, I perceive two characters. Both are female, and age bracket is 22 to 42, and both are in positive mood. So in that picture, the picture action is helping mother and celebrate his success. So Manu is a 22 years old, and she was a UPSC aspirant, and she is a versatile person. She cleared the UPSC exam 2024, and she got a 135th rank, and so she celebrate his achievements with friends and family. So she invited his neighbors and family, friends, and so she helping with his mother to making some tea, coffee and snacks, and enjoy with everyone.
ओके, तो आपका परसेप्शन सही है, आप सिंपल से सही लिख रहे हो. ओनली थिंग इज आप थोड़ा ऊपर देखो बच्चों की तरफ भी. हाँ, गुड.
Jai Hind everyone. In the picture shown, I have perceived two characters. Both are female. The age range is between 17 to 45 years old, and the overall mood of my story is positive. The action of my story is making a rainwater harvesting tank. Neha, 17, is a student of class 12. Due to the scarcity of water in her village, they had to store water in utensils. She decided to tell her mother about the rainwater harvesting tank. She convinced her mother about making it. She dug a natural tank in her backyard. She also covered it with stones so that dirt couldn't enter it. She connected a pipe from a terrace to her tank so that water would be easily collected from the rain. With the help of her idea, they were able to collect water easily. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived two characters. Both are female, and the age is from 35 to 40 years. The action of my story is helping out the street vendor. Sandhya is a 40-year-old school teacher who is currently teaching in the St. Joseph's Co-ed School. Sandhya also buys utensils in exchange of old clothes from a vendor called Rama. On a usual day, Rama came to her house selling the clothes, and Sandhya noticed her stressed expressions and asked about her well-being. Rama told her that She is facing some financial issues and is unable to afford the education of her daughter. Rama also told her that she is also Sandhya in turn offered to help the
हीरो एक ही होता है, उसी के अराउंड तुमने स्टोरी लिखनी है. तो यू आर गोइंग ऑन कि उसने ये बोला, इसने ये बोला, नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू. देखो इस बार नहीं छोड़ूंगा मैं. अच्छा
So can I restart?
अभी नहीं.
Then friends, from the picture I perceive two characters, both are females, age ranging from 24 to 50 years, and mood is all positive. Action of my story is distribution ration materials to the BPL holders. Sita is a 24-year-old girl, is the head of the self-help group in the Rampur village, where he launched a dual campaign to provide the ration materials to the BPL holders, and also tell them about the Lakpati Drone Didi Yojana to provide the skills of the drone skills, and also meet old ladies of the villages and get collected from their document to provide them the pension facility for the old people. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters. Both of them are females. Their age is around 24 and 49. Their mood is positive. The action of my story is ensuring and maintaining hygiene in Kumbh Mela. Neena, an active member of Kumbh Mela Parisar, has decided to take up the responsibility of maintaining the hygiene and proper sanitation in the Kumbh Mela Parisar. She made a team made up of workers and local volunteers whose work was to ensure management. They divided the Kumbh Mela into several areas and allotted these areas to workers. In their respective areas, they maintained that there is a proper flow of water and there is no clogging of water, as it causes most of the dissanitation. They also teach the local residents of the Mela that how they can wash their clothes in lesser water and maintain hygiene around them. Together with their efforts and the people living over there, they ensured proper hygiene and maintenance in that area. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive two characters. Both are female, and the age bracket is 29 to 49 years old. The Sangeeta is a 29-year-old girl who lives near the Kedarnath Yatra track. She heard about the cloudburst in that area, and she also and the rescuing operation going under there, that is Operation Surya. She also want to contribute in that operation in her way. So she start providing essentials near the relief camps, so that the persons in the relief camp can get the essentials, sanitary items, and the food from her, and she provided it and ensured that everyone is maintaining or surviving in the way, and she is also providing the essential medicines they need. So if from these efforts, from the efforts of the Sangeeta and the villagers and the NDRF, the operation went well. Thank you.
Good morning all. I could see two females in the picture. They are in positive mood. One of them is 26 years old. Other one is 45, her mother. So Sita, who had completed her academics in higher studies, she had excellent background in she had completed her academics with excellence percentages. Now, since she belonged to not a so strong financial background, her father wants her to stop her studies, like to stop and help her mother in the household activities. So, but her mother supports her. She wants that Sita should join PhD to pursue her dream. So her mother, Sita also had given last month an interview in a well-known institute abroad. So she got email. They were asking her to join, and she wanted to join. So her mother pursued her husband that Sita wants to join a university. So let her join PhD, because she can come back and help the family to overcome the financial problems. So her mother also gave her money. Her mother motivated her